The Namibia Central Intelligence Service, NCIS, appealed a High Court ruling that did not see any reason to stop the Patriot newspaper from publishing an article believed to be a threat to national security. The High Court ruled that the paper can run the story, a decision that was challenged in the Supreme Court by the spy agency. According to the Supreme Court judgment delivered on Friday, although the issue of protecting information that can compromise national security is important, freedom of speech should be regarded as sacrosanct in a democratic society. The ruling further stated that the print media house acted responsibly and wanted to confirm facts in the story before publishing, and no sufficient evidence was in this case provided to justify that information to be published would harm national security. Speaking to NBC News, chairperson of the Editors Forum of Namibia, Joseph Ailonga, says a lot can be learned from this case. Ailonga indicated essence of media freedom and the independence of the judiciary in the country demonstrated supremacy.
It means that media freedom in this country is still alive, the judiciary is still alive, and democracy is thriving in this country. And that's what it means. We can have that specific trust within our courts, within our judiciary system, that they will take the right decision at any given time. We have that trust in them.
He also brought up the issue of a legislation on access to information, a topic Ailonga says is close to his heart. He said those entrusted to give information of any sort should do so when required, without approval of anyone.
Access to information this is an opportunity for government to look at it closely, but it's also an opportunity for the Central Intelligence to look at it also, because right now we have that document going back and forth, and the Central Intelligence is a central stakeholder in this specific legislation. The draft is there. It's an opportunity for them to look at it and say, yes, maybe it's time that we don't focus on this.
The case is one of its kind in the history of the country, and Ailonga feels public relation officers should take a stand to always be available to give out information to the media, as that will demonstrate transparency as promoted by the head of state. Salomo Tenga, NBC News, Windhoek.